back to another episode of Cooking with Carolyn. Today, we are going to make a healthy and delicious fruit parfait that only takes a few ingredients. It makes a quick and delicious breakfast. Let's go! You will need a clear glass, your favorite yogurt, blackberries or strawberries, granola or crushed cereal. Add a few scoops of yogurt into the cup. Shake the cup to smoothen out the yogurt. Then, start adding in the strawberries. You can add as many as you want and make it your own. Add a few more layers of yogurt. Now, add in a few more berries. I used blackberries. And add in some granola or cereal. Repeat the same steps. You can also add on some more berries and cereal. That's your finishing touch. Ta-da! It's done! Hello, I'm Kira. Nice to meet you. Hello. Okay, bye.